Among the attendees of the 42nd Extraordinary Assembly of the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD, heads of state and government were President William Ruto of Kenya, Sheikh Mohamud of Somalia, Salva Kiir of South Sudan, and Yoweri Kaguta Museveni of Uganda, as well as representatives from major international players such as the African Union, the United Nations, the League of Arab States, the European Union, and the United States. The President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, welcomed the heads of states and representatives to Uganda and appreciated their approval to attend the assembly on a short notice. He also noted the crucial importance of the meeting towards having a solution to the tense situation between some member states.
I want to thank their excellencies for coming at short notice to discuss these two disturbing developments. The war in Sudan, if you look at our communique, we describe it as an unjust war. We really think the parties involved must stop these unprincipled wars. We call these types of wars unprincipled wars.
The chairperson IGAD and also President of Djibouti, His Excellency Ismail Omar, appreciated President Museveni for hosting this urgent meeting despite the demanding concern in security in the region.
Allow me also to express our profound gratitude to His Excellency Yoweri Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda, for graciously hosting this 42nd extraordinary meeting of IGAD despite this demanding schedule. We convene today under a sense of urgency as our region grapples with challenging times, be it the devastating conflict in our sister nation, Sudan, or the recent developments in relations with Somalia and Ethiopia.
It should be noted that the meeting was convened based on a request by the Republic of Somalia arising from the recent Memorandum of Understanding signed by Somalia and Ethiopia, as Ethiopia seeks for access to the sea since it is landlocked.
Today's summit was convened at the request of the Federal Republic of Somalia. This demand arose in response to the recent signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Democratic and Federal Republic of Ethiopia and Somaliland. As you are all aware, our forum has always provided us with the unique opportunity to collectively engage the deliberations on each and every disturbing development arising in our region and have an open and constructive dialogue on challenging issues that matter most of our nations and peoples.
The chairperson of the African Union Commission, Moussa Faki, who attended the assembly too, called on member states to respect each other and also resolve their disputes through mutual consensus. He pledged African Union's continued cooperation with IGAD.
The respect of unity, territorial integrity and sovereignty of all member states is a sacrosanct principle of the Union. Another key principle is the commitment to the resolution of disputes through peaceful means and consensual arrangements between member states. The African Union supports and continues to work with the regional body IGAD to achieve our shared objectives.
Following escalating tensions, the IGAD heads of state and government issued a call for Ethiopia and Somalia to de-escalate and engage in substantive dialogue, emphasizing the critical importance of maintaining peaceful relations between the neighboring countries.
Deeply concerned by the recent development regarding the relations between the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia and the Federal Republic of Somalia, reaffirmed the cardinal principles of respect for the sovereignty, unity and territorial integrity of the Federal Republic of Somalia, and any engagement should uphold the above cardinal principles, and any agreement or arrangement should be with the Federal Government of Somalia. Called upon the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia and the Federal Republic of Somalia to de-escalate tensions and instead engage in constructive dialogue. Underscored the primary responsibility of IGAD member states to ensure the will of the people of the Sudan prevails. recalled the commitment of the parties to the conflict for a face-to-face meeting within 14 days and called upon the parties to meet within 2 weeks.
The purpose of the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD, is to assist and complement the efforts of its member states in areas of peace, security, agriculture, environment, economic cooperation, and social development. Luke Majumba Linaitwe, for Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.
Shukran, merci beaucoup.